The sun is not exactly caught here. It's whitish here, but actually it's beautiful orange, filled with light. Filled with light. Orangish. You can't even look at it, right? It's such a beauty, no? The sun there. We don't realize it. Or maybe now I'm realizing it late. Just there, perfectly round, shining. Just there. And all these plants. And these houses. And these villages. And this universe. The sky. And those lovely sounds. There's a sound here, clanking sound. And there is something about what Jittu Kishorti says of just being, of just doing nothing, being and doing nothing. Then so many things happen. Lovely garden which Funny has made. Such a lovely garden. She lives a thorough life. Thorough life. Ah, that lovely sound. Sound. And this lovely wind and all. And the sun.